Aloha friends, I'm Hawaiian Dan and I'd like to introduce you to the new Sea Eagle Stealth Stalker 10 Pro Lite 2-person portable 10-foot inflatable fishing boat package featuring the new 13-pound rigid high-pressure removable inflatable floor, conveniently located front and rear carry handles, casting bar mounts for the optional Sea Eagle Universal Casting Bar, a removable front storage pouch, 2 removable 360-degree swivel seats with 7-inch high pedestals, 2 Sea Eagle Universal Mounting Pads with universal Scotty Deck Mounts and Scotty Rod Holders, 1 at the front and 1 at the rear, 2 built-in 40-inch FishRulers, 1 on each side, canopy mounts for attaching the optional Sea Eagle Sun and Rain canopy, 2 rear open and closed floor drains, a removable rear motor mount that supports up to a 4-horsepower, 20-inch long shaft gas motor or up to a 74-pound thrust electric motor with a minimum 30-inch shaft, and 4 built-in Sea Eagle rod holders. The new Sea Eagle high-pressure removable inflatable floor weighs just 13 pounds. That's 62% lighter than the wooden floorboards with stringers which weigh 38 pounds. It's also much easier and quicker to install. Inflates up to 10 psi in under 1.5 minutes with the Sea Eagle Mega Turbo Pump. Folds up to a mere fraction of the size and can be packed up with the boat. It also creates more buoyancy and serves as an additional independent safety air chamber. We're certain you're going to love this lighter, more portable, packable, and transportable Pro Lite inflatable floor package. Why? Because you asked for it, and Sea Eagle is listening. Aloha.